A well-maintained bathroom grout is not just about aesthetics. It's about preserving the very foundation of your bathroom's integrity. When properly cared for, bathroom grout can resist moisture, deter mold, and prolong the longevity of your tiles. First, avoid using acid cleaning agents. Harsh substances can erode the grout over time, leading to cracks, discoloration, and even structural damage. Opt for a mild and natural cleaner instead. This will gently remove dirt without compromising the grout's integrity. After using, it's crucial to keep the bathroom grout dry. Excess moisture can seep into the grout, encouraging mold growth and accelerating wear and tear damage. To combat this, consider investing in a small mop with a squeeze sponge. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for drying uneven tiles where water can remain. Attaching the sponge to the handle of a small tool can be a bit tricky, but once it's securely locked in place, it works wonders. The sponge effectively absorbs water, leaving behind a thin layer that can easily air dry. And while squeezing out the water isn't automatic, overall, it works pretty well. In conclusion, maintaining the bathroom grout isn't as daunting as it seems. By using a mild cleaner, keeping the grout dry, and using a small mop with a squeeze sponge, you can ensure that your bathroom grout remains intact for years to come. These steps might seem simple, but they can make all the difference. With the right care, your bathroom grout can withstand the test of time, keeping your bathroom looking fresh and well-maintained for years to come. Give it a try. The link to where I purchased my mini mop with squeeze sponge can be found in the description. Thank you for watching.